am quite excited about today's video because it's my first BookChor haul. Hey everyone, my name is Gagan and welcome back to Inside Diggers. I haven't posted any video in last 2 weeks. Because of lockdown, things are a little out of track and I have been a bit busy with some stuff. But today, here I am with yet another video for you guys. I am quite excited about today's video because it's my first BookChor haul. I am an Amazon Flipkart person. I have never ordered any book from any other site, but I really wanted to try books from BookChor, and they provide quite decent deals. As you guys know that they give you the choice to buy second-hand books and book bundles, which is extremely convenient for those who want to spend less and read more. What I liked about BookChor over other sites that provide almost the same choices is that BookChor lets you peek at the book bundles so that you would get to know on which books you are spending your money. I am not that type of person who would spend money on mystery boxes, in which I do not get to know what books I might be getting, whether they are from my likable genres or something like I just end up putting on my shelf and never seeing myself reading them. So here comes the BookChor as a savior. Moreover, they also have a condition chart in which you get to know about the condition of the books, whether they are new, good or readable. Well, enough about BookChor. Not at all sponsored video. It's just I am sharing what I liked about BookChor. So let's just dive into the book bundle. So this is the book bundle I have received, guys. Quite a sturdy packaging, and of course I have sanitized it and kept it aside for about a day. The first book comes to my hand is The World's Greatest Unsolved Mysteries. When I got to know this book is the part of this book set, I was pretty sure that I am going to order this book set. Spine of the book has few scratches and pages are a little pale, but otherwise it's in good condition, not at all torn or bent from anywhere. Next book is Unseen Academicials by Thierry Pratchett. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. The outer cover is old, but this is a hardcover. I wasn't expecting any hardcover, and pages are not that pale as the previous book. This looks good. I liked it. The next book is The Sky is Falling by Sidney Sheldon. I have heard a lot about Sidney Sheldon's movies and books, and oh my god, this is also a hardcover. A classic black hardcover, and pages are also nearly white. This seems almost new in condition. Next is The Longest Ride by Nicholas Sparks, and I am already a fan of his movies. And this is another hardcover. Oh my god, this is a bundle of surprises. I mean, I haven't expected even a single hardcover, and here I am getting one after another. The pages are also white, and this is almost new. Here are 3 bookmarks on which website address and BookChor is imprinted. And here is the little token of love by the BookChor team. I love this gesture of personal touch. Thank you so much, BookChor, for sending me this lovely assortment of books. Next is The Horse and His Boy. This looks little old but not torn out from anywhere, just little pale but acceptable as I have already got pretty good books. Next is All These Beautiful Strangers. The cover looks totally new and pages are fresh. I don't consider it used. I mean, look at the edges, how beautifully I know is imprinted on them. I don't consider it used. Next is Closing Time. The cover looks old, it has few scratches, but pages are not pale. It is a sequel of Catch 22. Should I read Catch 22 first or shall I start with this? Do let me know in the comment section. Yay! Another hardcover. This book intrigued me at first glance. I wanted to know about Chinese culture and their people, and the book looks totally new. The pages are fresh. I mean, I don't consider it old at all. Finally, last hardcover of the day. I mean, look at the cover, guys, how beautiful it is. Awful Auntie. I assume this is a children's book, but it's quite fun to read children's stuff when you feel low and disturbed. It instantly swings your mood. Pages are also white and this also seems new. Well, these are the books I got. Talking about the price, each book costed me less than 100. I paid 867 rupees for 9 books, which is quite an amazing deal. I got 6 hardcovers. Those 2 are in pretty good condition. Thank you so much BookChor for making my day. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, like, share and subscribe.